Hello, this is Errol, and this is Legends Realty, and today I'll be showing you the property 8973 Azalea Sands Lane in Davenport in the Champions Gate area. And let's take a look. This property is a corner unit. It's one floor, and it's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It has a 1-car garage. It's got storage above the garage. Washer and dryer room. This is where the AC handler is. Stainless steel appliances, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, stove with granite countertops. Screened-in patio. On the back side of the house is the master bedroom. It's got it's got tile with wood throughout the home. It's got a walk-in closet. In the description of the video, I'm going to put all the amenities that this community includes. It's a golf community. It's got community pools, lazy rivers, gyms, restaurants. Walk-in shower and tub combo. Bedroom number 2. And the guest bathroom. This one is just a stand-up shower here. Hopefully you like the property, and you have a good day.